I stopped budgeting 12 months ago. No daily expense tracking, no color-coded spreadsheet, no guilt after buying coffee. And somehow, my net worth grew faster than ever. I didn't get a raise. I didn't start a side hustle. I didn't magically become disciplined overnight. I just automated 5 things. And once I set them up, my money started moving before I had a chance to mess it up. Today, I'm going to show you the exact system I used. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Budgeting doesn't fail because people are stupid. It fails because most budgeting systems depend on you being disciplined every single day. And that is a terrible system. Every day you're making dozens of tiny financial decisions. Should I order food? Should I buy this coffee? Should I upgrade my phone plan? Should I grab that thing I saw online? Should I wait until next month? And every single decision uses energy. By Monday morning, you're motivated. By Thursday night, you're tired, hungry, stressed. That's how most budgets die. Not because the math is hard. The math is easy. The problem is that your budget is depending on your mood, and your mood is not a financial strategy. Be honest. How many times have you downloaded a budgeting app and then completely abandoned it? I've done it too. So I stopped trying to become a perfect budgeter. Instead, I built a system that moves my money automatically on payday. Before I see it, before I spend it, before my brain starts negotiating with me. That's when things changed. Not because I earned more money, but because I finally kept more of the money I already earned. Here's the big picture. When your paycheck hits your account, it should not just sit there waiting to be spent. That is where most people go wrong. All the money lands in one account. Bills, savings, investments, debt, spending, all mixed together. That creates confusion, and confusion leads to overspending. So instead, we're going to build a simple money system. Your paycheck lands in your main account. Then automatically, your money gets split into specific buckets. One bucket for bills, one bucket for investing, one bucket for emergencies, one bucket for debt. And whatever is left becomes guilt-free spending money. Think of this like plumbing for your money. That's the goal. Not more motivation, not more discipline. A better system. Automation number 1 is your bills account. This is a separate checking account used only for fixed expenses. Rent, mortgage, car payment, insurance, utilities, internet, phone bill, subscriptions. First, list all your fixed monthly bills, then total them up. Let's say your fixed bills are $1,500 per month. If you get paid twice a month, you automatically transfer $750. That way, when bills are due, the money is already sitting there. No panic. No guessing. No accidentally spending your rent money. Quick win. You immediately reduce the chance of late fees, overdrafts, and financial stress. This account creates separation, and separation creates control. Automation number 2 is the invest first transfer. This is where most people get it backwards. They pay their bills, they spend money, they go out, they shop, they eat out. Then, let me invest whatever is left. But usually nothing is left. So the better system is simple. Invest first, not after spending. Before spending. Set up an automatic transfer into your investment account the same day you get paid. It could be $25, $50, $100, 10% of your income. The amount matters less than the habit. Because once it's automated, you also naturally start dollar cost averaging. You can't spend money you never see in your checking account. Automation number 3 is the emergency fund drip. Not exciting, not flashy, but important. Because without an emergency fund, every small problem becomes debt. Car repair, credit card, medical bill, credit card. Phone breaks, credit card. Unexpected travel? Credit card. That's how people get trapped from small emergencies they were not prepared for. Set up an automatic transfer into a high-yield savings account. $25, $50, $100 a week. The key is to make it automatic and boring, because boring is what works. $50 a week becomes $2,600 in 1 year. That's the power of the drip. Small amount, repeated consistently, protected from your everyday spending. Automation number 4 is the debt accelerator. Not all debt is the same. A mortgage is different from a credit card balance. Student loans are different from payday loans. But if you have high-interest debt, you need a system to attack it. Most people set up autopay for the minimum payment and stop there. That keeps you current. But it does not get you free. Keep your minimum payments automated, but then add one extra automatic payment toward your highest interest debt. Even if it's small, $25 extra, $50 extra, $100 extra. The point is to create pressure on the debt every single month. One extra automatic transfer can cut months or even years off your payoff timeline. The system attacks the debt for you, and once that debt is gone, you redirect that same payment into investing or savings. Automation number 5 is the fun money release. Most financial advice makes people feel like spending money is evil, but that's not realistic. You are going to spend money. You are going to enjoy life. You are going to buy food, go out, get coffee, order something you like. The question is not whether you should spend. The question is whether your spending happens before or after your future is handled. With this system, your bills are covered, your investments are funded, your emergency fund is growing, your debt is being attacked. So, whatever is left in your main checking account is your fun money. Spend it without guilt, because the important stuff is already done. If your system doesn't allow you to enjoy your money, eventually you will rebel against it. That's why this works. It gives you structure without making you feel trapped. You do not need a financial advisor to set this up. You just need one focused hour. Here's your weekend checklist. Step 1. List every fixed bill. Step 2. Open a separate bills account. Step 3. Set an automatic transfer. Step 4. Set up an automatic investment transfer. Step 5. Set up your emergency fund drip. Step 6. Add one extra automatic payment toward your highest interest debt. Step 7. Let whatever remains become your guilt-free spending money. That's it. No complicated spreadsheet, no daily tracking, no pretending you'll suddenly become perfectly disciplined forever. Just a system that moves your money before your emotions get involved. Saturday morning. Coffee in hand. 60 minutes. Set it once, and let the system do the work. Download the free money automation blueprint. It includes the flow chart, the account setup, the transfer order, and the full checklist. Link is in the description. If this breakdown helped, like, share, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one.